Ever wondered if you could put together a real usable bug out bag for under £100 in the UK with UK weather, UK laws and UK shops? Today we're going to prove it. Welcome to Charlie Survival. Before we dive in, if you're into practical, no-nonsense preparedness and survival that works here in Britain, not fantasy kit, hit subscribe and comment below with one budget item you would never leave out of a bug out bag. It boosts the video, helps others find it, and everyone always learns from your picks. Alright, challenge accepted, let's build it. What we're building and what we're not. This is a 72-hour get out fast bag for the UK. It's not a military rucksack or a long-term wilderness pack. Think storm damage, civil unrest, burst mains, regional power cuts, or you're told to evacuate to a rest centre overnight. You want water, warmth, calories, light, comms, first aid and admin in one bag ready to grab. Ground rules. Total budget under £100 all in, legal in the UK, will stay within UK knife and fire safety laws. If in doubt, don't carry it. Available from common UK sources. Season proofable, will make it modular so you can add winter bits when it drops below 5 degrees Celsius. The £100 shopping list with price targets. Prices are targets based on typical UK deals, discount shops, supermarket own brand, and common online listings. You don't need the exact brands, hit the spec and the price. 1. The bag. Target £10 to £15. 30 to 35 litre rucksack, plain colour, no tactical screaming. Charity shops often have decent day packs between £5 to £12. If buying new, supermarket own brand or decathlon day packs are $9.99 to $14.99. 30 to 35 litre forces you to keep weight sane but fits everything we need. Plain exterior keeps it grey man. 2. Water. Target £12 to £16. 2 times 1.5 litre bottles of still water, £1.20 to £1.60 total at Aldi or Lidl. Inline water filter straw, budget module £8 to £10 or chlorine tablets £2 to £4 as bare minimum. 2 times collapsible 5 to 10 litre water bags £3 to £4 each. Look for foldable water carriers. Aim for 1.5 to 2 litres per person per day plus the ability to collect and disinfect. Bottled water for day 1, treat and refill for days 2 and 3. 3. Food. Target £12 to £15. We're chasing calories, salt and no cooking or boil only. 4 times instant noodles or couscous, boil water only, £1 to £2. 4 times high calorie cereal bars, £1 to £2. 2 times 200 grams of peanut butter or nut butter sachets, £2 to £3. 2 tins of fish, ring pool sardines and mackerel, £2 to £3. 1 times big oatcakes or crackers, £1 to £2. Tea or coffee sachets and sugar packets, £1. Electrolyte tabs, budget tube, £2 to £3. 2,000 to 2,500 calories in small stable packets that you can eat cold or with boiled water. To find even more reliable survival and prepping gear from home equipment to bug out gear, check out the Charlie Survival Amazon kit list. Feel free to click the link in the description after this video. 4. Heat and cooking. Target £10 to £12. Solid fuel fold-in stove plus 6 to 8 solid fuel taps, £6 to £8. Metal mug or pot, 750 to 900 millilitres with lid, £4 to £6. Army surplus aluminium mugs fit over a bottle or a cheap camping pot. You can boil water for safety and morale. A metal mug doubles as a pot and cup. Use outdoors with extreme ventilation. 5. Warmth and shelter. Target £15 to £18. 1 2 times 1.5 metre tarpaulin, £5 to £7. 4 lightweight bungee cords, £2 to £3. 10 metre paracord or 2mm utility cord, £2 to £4. 2 mylar emergency blankets, £2 to £3. Wool blends hat and cheap gloves, £3 to £5. Charity shop specials. Tarp and cord equals instant lean-to, windbreak or rain cover at a bus shelter. Mylar keeps radiant heat in an emergency. 6. Clothing basics. Target £8 to £12. Spare base layer top, synthetic, £3 to £5. Net gaiter or buff, £2 to £3. Dry feet and a dry base layer are everything in cold, wet UK weather. Net gaiter cuts wind loss massively. 7. Light and power. Target £8 to £12. AAA head torch, £4 to £6 plus spare AAA batteries, £2 to £3. Mini keychain light, £1 to £2. You get hands-free lights for pinching the tarp, map reading and first aid. Cheap but reliable if you test it monthly. 8. First aid and hygiene, target £5 to £7. Mini first aid kit, plasters, sterile wipes, gauze, small bandage, tape, £3 to £5. 2 pairs of nitrile gloves, they're around £1, add to the kit. Toothbrush and travel paste and tissues, £1 to £2. You're buying time and comfort. Treat small problems before they become big ones. 9. Admin and navigation, target £1 to £5. OS printouts of your town plus 2 exit routes, free printing at home or £1 at library. A whistle, £1. Batteries die, paper doesn't. A whistle carries further than a shout. Final total target, £99 to £100. We did it. Optional, £5 to £10 seasonal add-ons. Rotate as needed. Foil-backed emergency bivvy, £6 to £8, a step up from a flat blanket. Cheap poncho, £2 to £4, lethally good in British sideways rain. Hand warmers, £3 to £4 in deep winter. Sun cream and cap, £3 to £5 in July heat waves. If you can stretch £10 more, the bivvy is the best warmth upgrade per pound. A cheap battery AM FM radio is great, but it will push the budget. Many phones receive FM via earphones. Test yours and store a wired set. Medications. Include your daily meds and copies of prescriptions. These are personal and not in our shared budget. 30-minute drill. Proof your bag before you trust it. Do this once, preferably in light rain. Set a timer. Minute 0 to 5. Put pack on. Walk 200 meters. Anything jabbing your back, fix it now. Minute 5 to 10. Pitch your tarp lean-to using 2 bungees and paracord off a fence or hedge. Make it windward proof. Minute 10 to 15. Lay out clothing and mylar blankets under cover. Put hat, gloves and gaiter on. Are your hands still functional? Minute 15 to 25. Light the solid fuel outside of the tarp. Bring to a rolling boil in the mug. Make tea or noodles. Minute 25 to 30. Pack down faster than you set up, leaving no trace. Make one note in your notebook. What slowed me down? If something failed in a calm practice, it will absolutely fail in a storm at 2 AM. Replace it now while it's £3, not when it's priceless. Water. The UK has plentiful surface water and plenty of livestock and runoff. You need collection, bottles and carriers and treatment, boil or tablets or a filter. If you can't afford a filter now, buy tablets and a pot, upgrade later. Food. Calorie density and zero faff. Peanut butter and oatcakes are cheap calories. Noodles and couscous convert hot water into heat inside you. Shelter. You're not building a yurt, you're buying time and dry. Wind kills warmth, a tarp blocks wind and rain, a mylar layer bounces your body heat back. Warmth. UK cold is often wet. Dry base layer in protection from conductions or the cold ground matters more than a £300 jacket. Light. A £5 headlamp properly aimed beats a £60 torch you forgot at home. Batteries are cheaper than broken ankles. First aid. Plasters stop blisters, tape fixes everything, gloves protect you. Admin. In a real event, your brain runs on stress. Paper lists and maps stop you making silly mistakes. How to keep it under £100 without buying junk. Charity shops for bags, hat, gloves and base layer. Discount shops, Poundland, B&M, home bargains for first aid, hygiene, bungees and batteries. Supermarkets like Lidl and Aldi for water, food and sometimes basic kit. DIY stores for tarp and cord, often cheaper in autumn. End of season clearance at Decathlon or Go Outdoors for the mug or poncho. And use what you already own. Spare hoodie, old hat, a half-used notebook. Every reused item frees cash for essentials. Upgrades when you have another £10, £20, £50. £10, emergency bivvy, warmer than flat mylar. £20, budget power bank, 10,000 milliamp plus cable or a compact AM FM radio. £50, entry-level hollow fibre sleeping bag. Pack weight and carry comfort. Your target dry weight here is 6 to 7 kg, plus water brings it to 9 to 10 kg. That's carryable for most adults over a few miles. Why this works and why expensive bags often don't. Survival and preparedness is 80% logistics and behaviour, 20% gear. A £1,000 pack that lives in your cupboard you never touch won't save you. A £100 honest kit you boiled noodles on in the drizzle will. This bag solves the 4 killers in UK emergencies: cold, wet, threat first and disorganization. If this helped you build a budget bug out bag, like and subscribe and drop a comment what one sub £10 item earns a permanent spot in your bag. To find more items specific for UK survival and prepping, head over to the Charlie Survival Amazon kit list. You can find reliable kits I've spent the last year testing. You can find the Amazon link in the description of this video. If you found this video helpful, I recommend watching this one on screen now, all about how to prepare for a UK power outage in winter. Click it and I'll see you over there.